Hey, your mess. Sorry.
Ganyan natin iniwan yan. Consistency lang. Hindi ganyan namin iniwan yan for 3 years. Consistency. Wala. Hindi ko naman mag-iwan siya. Nasali din yun. Yes, sir. Sir. Welcome back.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Isang galon lang.
Yes, sir. Opo.
Hira na.
Thank you, sir.
Ganyan nyo. Yes, sir. Mapuyat nga lang kayo sa akin. Kaya na lang, mapuyat na kagabi. Ingat kayo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ingat po. Hey, your mess. Sorry.
Ganyan natin iniwan yan. Consistency lang. Hindi ganyan namin iniwan yan for 3 years. Consistency. Wala. Hindi ko naman mag-iwan siya. Nasali din yun. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Welcome back.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Isang galon lang.
Yes, sir. Opo.
Hira na.
Thank you, sir.
Ganyan nyo. Yes, sir. Mapuyat nga lang kayo sa akin. Kaya na lang, mapuyat na kagabi. Ingat kayo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ingat po.
Kasi ang gusto ko, malaan lang ng tao kung alin ang dapat at alin ang pinakamahalaga sa nasaan ang sitwasyon natin. Kasi ang daming tanong ng taong bayan, bakit hindi nababayaran ng basura? Budgeted naman. May iwan. And so on. Yun ang tinatanong sa akin pag tingnan mo sa Facebook. Kasi na pera. So, hindi ko naman ma-apprehend yung sagot ko because I wanted to see it in such a way that I am reporting also to my fellow elected officials, whether they're in opposition or opposition. Para meron sila. In fact, as you can see, wala kayo nakitang opposition. It's just, masakit na talaga mapakinggan yung totoo. And you may think of it differently if you're the one, if you're that person. It's nothing to do with personal things. What is important is, mga karaos bang may ito problema natin. Masok na July, sweldo kaya kami. That's a worrisome for
Mayor,
yun lang yun, hindi siya natin yun, tapos na halalan. Diba mo, hindi mo na kailangan sirain ng sira. Sort of saying, diba? Parang nothing to gain eh. It's just that malaan lang ng tao. Dito, masaya ng tao.
do we have a timeline on the investigation? Kasi syempre, these are...
I will give them time, ample time. But my time is now dedicated to resolve the garbage crisis of the city, the fiscal crisis of the city, and programs of governance. As I have committed, 2% of our time will go after and make those individuals, if they are found liable or administratively criminal, they throw the books. But 98% of our time we just focus and make preparations, make programs, plans to address the needs. Yung tugunan yung pangangailangan ng tao. First things first.
Mayor, almost 11 billion.
Yes.
How do you intend to use financial engineering 2.0? Kasi nung nag-assume ka ng office,
Zero lang.
2019,
Zero lang.
ganito.
Then zero lang noong
I
2000.
mean, there's a financial problem that needs to be fixed.
Oh,
How
bakit
do
sa harapan
you
nila?
how do you do that this time?
Basta, you'll be part of everything. People will be part of it. By day to day, mamalalaan ninyo our result, how are we resolving this fiscal problem. We'll do our best. Ayoko muna maging burden. Kasi pinaka-simpleng sagot yan ay mag-tax. Baliktad nga eh. Wala na nga kami pera, nagka-tax amnesty pa kami. Because I wanted to start with a clean slate sa taong bayan. So, sila, ginagampanan nila tungkulin nila bilang mamamayan, bayad ng buwis. Ipakita mo na namin gampanan namin ang aming tungkulin sa taong bayan. Then, kung ano man yung karagdagang obligasyon, sa dulo na yun. Ngayon, it's more on efficiency. Efficiency.
I feel that some of these people are former appointees of yours.
Yeah. Mga
Pinaliwanaan nyo ito before.
yes.
Next po.
Hindi ko alam eh. Alam mo, minsan, nakakabaliw talaga dyan. Hindi ko maisip. Kung ka talaga, wala akong isasagot sa'yo. Kasi, ano, ganyan ba sila dati? Camera, sir. Hindi naman. Diba? Ganyan ba sila dati? O sa akin sila naglilingkod? Hindi naman. Bakit sila naging ganyan? Pwede ba namin yung... Hindi ko alam anong naging direktiba. I don't want to point fingers, but as far as we are concerned, if your question is apples to apples, there are two different players with the same department head. And another, itong pinasukan niya, nag-iba sila ng college o gawain.
Last from my end, sir, yung sa basura, sir, diba yung Lionel, kahapon libre. Balik na ba sila? Full time?
Eh, depende mamaya. Ayaw kong pangunahan muna po.
Yorme, nabanggit niyo po kanina umaga sa inspection po na in 3 days time, babalik na sa normal yung garbage collection.
That is our hope. Based on volume, but volume acquired by the city government, DPS, MMDA, engineering, yesterday. But kung makikita mo yung GMA7, nung ini-interview, nag-report siya sa Moriones, nakita mo yung tao nung nakita yung Lionel, naglabas ng basura sa bahay. So that we still don't know. Kung marami pang basura sa labas ng bahay, sa loob ng bahay ng mga kababayan natin. Kasi panawagan ko kapon, di ba? Pag muna nilang dagdagan, o hindi sila muna sa sakripisyo sa loob muna ng bahay ng basura, yung nasa kalsada kakalawin dito muna. And most of the garbage, the major one, medyo nadali na namin ka. But we still have to go as far as Esquinita, Avenida, and Boulevard. All the entire city. So, that's the goal. If we arrive there, I don't know. But are we going to pursue our goal? Put extra step? Yes, we will. Ganaan namin na kami matulog. Kirahe lang namin. Kasi 3 linggo na yan iniiyak ng taong bayan. Kaya immediately, di ba? After a few minutes, nagkasama ko. Pinumpun ko. We will do. Continue. Okay?
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Mag-ingat kayo. Pasensya na. Binabila kayo.
Thank you, Yorme.